I like my hot chocolate thick like my thighs. Coming up, let's cut some chocolate. So now all I have to do is keep whisking. Don't say I didn't tell you. That's it. Hello my loves and welcome to day 9 of Vlogmas. It's freaking cold. Hey Siri, what is the temperature right now?
It's -9 degrees outside.
I just came from outside. Yo, if I had a choice to not go outside, I would not go outside until winter ends, but that is insane. I went out to get a sieve finally, and I managed to get myself a sieve amongst other things. So I'm so happy I have a sieve finally. If you've been here for Vlogmas, you know why I'm so excited for a sieve. I bought a bunch of other things. Oh my god, you guys, I finally got the proper marshmallows, like the fat white ones. I don't know if you can see, because before I had these ones. I bought these ones to make a Vlogmas intro. These are terrible. Oh my god, I might not even showing you the right. These, I have another one. Here is the other one. These, they are terrible. Oh my god, they're just full of sugar, and now that I left them open, they're so hard. I put them, oh my god, they're not good at all. They are trash. So, oh, I also got a whisk, so now we can whisk my little drinks that I make. Just going to give them a quick wash, and oh my god, guess what else I got? A cookie cutter. I got a cookie cutter because you know what, we're going to be baking some gingerbread cookies. I see some stars and a little bow. Cookie recipe coming up. I think I'm going to make a healthified version because I don't feel at peace or comfortable with myself making cookies with sugar, like, to be honest. I've been looking at a lot of cookie recipes and I would rather do my own cookie recipe without extra sugar. So stay tuned, subscribe, and by the way, did I welcome you guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, welcome, and for those that have been here a while, welcome back. Thank you for your support. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It really means the world to me. It helps this community grow. You know, every month I do my expenses, but in order for me to keep track, I keep my receipts over here just in case I haven't put them on the expense page, which you've seen before. And at the end of the month, I just balance my stuff, and if I'm missing anything, I just go back to the receipts and check them out. That's it. I have such a sweet tooth, and that's why we're doing hot chocolate today. Oh my god, I was covering my hair when I went out because it's freaking cold, and now it looks so flat on my head. Anyway, we move. Here are my little ingredients for my hot chocolate. I have oat milk because I'm lactose intolerant. I have cacao powder. I have dark chocolate. I have cinnamon, vanilla extract, and some Nido. If you don't know what Nido is, it's powdered milk. I know it from home. Nido typically reminds me of my fat days when I was in high school. I used to eat a lot of Nido. I loved it because it made the cereal and milk so thick. That is why we are using it in this hot chocolate, because I like my hot chocolate thick like my thighs. You've seen my thighs. Oh my god. We all know that I eyeball everything, so do not judge me for not giving you the exact quantities. If you want the exact quantities, let me know and I'll try it again, and I'll put the recipe up on my Instagram or somewhere or in another video. But for now, we're just eyeballing each and everything. I've turned my heat on. Just going to add some oat milk. And while it's warming up, let's cut some chocolate. I have this one that's already open. And some more dark chocolate. It's 82% cacao. The more chocolate, the merrier. I feel like this is more than enough. Yeah, I think we'll stop at that. This is too much. The milk has started bubbling up. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna get a spoon. I just threw my sieve on top. I washed it, don't judge me. I have my cacao powder in here. I took it out of its packaging. I'm going to add that. Not, well, I was going to say not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. Woo! This is how I entertain myself, my god. I'm going to just whisk. Oh my god, aren't you proud of me? Yo, aren't you proud of me that I got a whisk? Ah, it feels so good. It feels so nice to have a whisk because the past couple of days it's been bloody hard. We've been improvising on so many things, but now we got the gadgets, we got the tools. And now let's add our chocolate in there. And just keep whisking. What is going to make this thick is this needle. Oh my god, you guys, I love needle. I tried to not take it as much, but look at where it is. I got this when I went to visit my sister in Toronto. That's like a month ago, is it? Like 6 weeks ago, and it's that far. You don't know what I did. This is the thickening master. I'm so excited. I love needle. Okay, I think 1 spoon is enough. I'm just very generous with it. So if you're making this at home, please don't put 2 spoons because it's not good for you. Don't say I didn't tell you. And then we just keep whisking. Now some cinnamon. It's better to put cinnamon sticks, but I'm using regular cinnamon. Well, grounded cinnamon, just a pinch. My pinch is also generous. And last but not least, vanilla extract, just for some flavor. Yalla, it's going to slap this one. Okay, so now all I have to do is keep whisking until everything mixes together, and that is why I bought the sieve, because if the stuff doesn't mix well, especially the needle, I can sieve it out. I need to taste it for sweetness because I didn't add any sweeteners. I'm just going to add some maple syrup. Of course, I have it ready here just in case, but I'll just put a... yeah. Okay, that's it. The hot chocolate is officially ready. It's this easy, it's this simple, and it takes about less than 5 minutes. This video is probably longer than 5 minutes, but it's because I talk too much. Do you see how rich this is? Oh my god. Marshmallows. I probably could add whipped cream on top, but I do not like whipped cream, so we are keeping that out. Oh, these marshmallows are nice, way nicer than the other ones. Doesn't this look so cute? We're just going to top it up with a little drizzle of cinnamon for the aesthetic. Woo! Damn, girl. Yo. This is the bomb diggity bomb. Ooh. I cannot wait to try this. It's time to do a taste. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, try this and let me know, because the needle takes it a whole notch up. It makes it taste so different. It makes it thicker. That's why I love needle, because it makes everything so much better. And these marshmallows are way better than the other ones. Now I get why people like marshmallows. I remember in the previous video when I was doing the intro, I was like, why the hell do people like marshmallows? But you know what? They are pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you tried this hot chocolate at home, I don't know how you make your hot chocolate. Let me know how you make your hot chocolate in the comment section down below. Do you add needle? What do you use to make it thicker? Do you like it thick? Do you like it not thick? How do you like it? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you try this, of course, do not forget to tag me on Instagram at madammebae, or come back to this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it goes. I have a sweet tooth for sure, but I don't like my drinks sweet. I like eating chocolate, like Ferrero Rocher. Every time I say that word, I laugh at myself in French. Anyway, yeah, it's my favorite. I eat chocolate a lot. I love chocolate, but I don't like chocolatey drinks. This is nice. The maple syrup added just the slight sweetness that I need, and if you need some more, definitely add some more. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, of course, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, because it really supports my channel. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. My god, clumsy Sheila, what the hell? I got that on camera. Damn god, I need to take off my pretty... I made this dirty.